Hi, I'm Steph and I'm one of the dietitians here at BJC Health. Today I'll be sharing 3 tips to help you get your veggie intake up without the fuss. So I absolutely love cooking, but after a long day at work, the last thing I want to be doing is cooking and chopping up heaps and heaps of veggies. So there are a couple of products that I'll always have in my fridge to make my life a whole lot easier. So first thing I'll always have in my freezer are bags of steamed fresh veggies. I'll throw one in the microwave to have alongside my dinner meal. Second thing I'll have in my fridge are punnets of cherry tomatoes and baby cucumbers, and I'll bring those with me to work to have alongside a sandwich. Third thing I'll have is bags of pre-mixed salad. I'll add a tin of tuna, a little bit of olive oil, some lemon juice, and a couple of Vita-Wheat crackers alongside. So veggies are a great source of antioxidants which really help to fight inflammation. And now you don't have any excuses to get your 5 serves of veggies in each and every day.